It's a little bit like the voice is a little bit low. Got it. Cool. So yeah, hey guys, this is Steve. Very happy to host today's Binance Smart Chain GameFi Hackathon project demo session again with you guys. Really happy to be here. We have 5 amazing projects participating today. This is actually our second collaboration with Binance Russia and CIS region team. And most of the projects presenting today are actually like projects coming from Russia CIS region. There are amazing new projects participating. Yeah, cool background, man. Where are you?
Oh,
Where are you, man?
it's Cyprus.
Cyprus, nice.
Yes.
Cyprus is also a crypto paradise.
It's cool. We are here because of crypto.
Nice. Really great to see you having fun there. Yeah, just like the background. I think there's a little bit background noise on your side, but no worries. I think it's the wind. Yeah. So maybe try to mute when you're not speaking. But yeah, guys, very happy to host you all today. Welcome to DoraHacks. And like I mentioned, you guys are participating in the Binance Smart Chain GameFi Hackathon. You guys have made amazing progress in the past few weeks. And you're welcomed by DoraHacks and Binance Smart Chain team to introduce your project to the community so that they will get to know what amazing project you have built and how to engage with you in the future. Maybe to try your games, maybe to join your community. So it's a great chance to introduce yourself to the crowd. And this will be live streamed. So this is actually currently live streaming, but also be recorded so everyone can have a chance to know more about your project after this. So yeah, so like I said, each team will have 8 to 10 minutes. Feel free to introduce your deck and your demo, if you have that. So the 5 projects, and I'll introduce them one by one. Also the sequence of how you guys will present today is first Neuroart. Neuroart is providing a unique service comprising an NFT and AI. And the second project is Infinite Heroes. Infinite Heroes allows players to create heroes, mint NFTs, grind GLRY, glory, I believe is their token, and fight for fame on any device. So the third project is OnBridge. So what OnBridge do is that it allows users to transfer the NFTs across various networks in a cost-efficient and secure manner. And the fourth project will be Aquathereum. Sorry, maybe like correct me if I'm wrong. They are an unscripted blockchain integrated massively multiplayer online game. So it's MMO game, really exciting. Would love to see more. Last but not least is the Artwaria. The Artwaria is a P2E and PvE NFT game built on both Android and iOS. So it's a MOBA, really exciting. So welcome you all to DoraHacks. And yeah, without further ado, let's just welcome Neuroart team to introduce themselves first. You have 8 minutes. And after introduction, we'll try to come up with some questions to chat with you.
Okay, thank you. I will share my screen.
Sure, yes, please.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yep.
Yes?
We can.
Okay, sorry. Hi, everyone. My name is Anna. I am from Neuroart project team. I would like to introduce also our community manager is Maxim. He is present on this call also.
Hello.
If you will have any question, Maxim will answer this question after the call. First of all, I would like to appreciate for possibility to present our amazing project on this call. And also I wish good luck to everyone. Okay, let's start. In the presentation, I would like to show you about what is the Neuroart project. play-to-earn mechanics, visual concepts of the GameFi part. What is the Neuroart? Neuroart is a large-scale project inviting people to the unity around blockchain, NFT, and AI technologies. In this slide, you can see the Neuroart ecosystem, which include GameFi, Neuroart token, co-branding collaboration, incubator of AI solutions, heritable efforts. The gaming part of the project will introduce a large number of people to blockchain technology. But what is the problem of industry? To create great NFT content, it's for sure everybody needs to have additional skills. Crypto industry has a high threshold for entry for the general public. People who wish join the industry, but lack of the basic, because of the lack of the basic knowledge, will not able to do it never. What is the Neuroart solution? It's a user-friendly interface, low entry threshold, also depths of mechanics for the hardcore audience, combination of NFT and neural network technologies, and earning for everyone. What we can see in the future? Current game development technology plus Neuroart map architecture plus Neuroart model marker plus texture artist plus NFT. As the results, we received next generation games. In future, with the help of Neuroart in video games, every characters, monsters, 3D model, location will be unique. And now I would like to introduce the main part of the presentation. It's a GameFi part of the Neuroart. It's a free-to-play system, AI card generation, asynchronous multiplayer, and more others. And now please see on the slide, it's our interface of our game. The game will consist of several elements. In the beginning of the game, the player will be able to generate amazing creatures, which will combine elements of different animals. Now you can see a card, it's example of the card, and you can see the bird's body, for example, and the koala's head. In the beginning of the game, the player will be able to generate creatures from the basic set. It can be common, rare, or epic. Also, the player will be able to choose frame, background, animation. Each part has certain properties which affect the creature's parameters. It can be, you can see in the creature's features. It can be, for example, in percentage, health, attack, speed, or protection. Maybe in some special features, some card will be able to fly from one location to another location very fast to find resources. When the card will be generated, the player will have a choice to save this card or start new generation. Of course, the number of generation will be limited, and you can see on this section, general energy. There are how many items the player has and how many items already done. Also, how many cards, for example, the player can save and how many cards already saved. The created NFT card can be used in the game or sold on the market. Output to external marketplace will also be available, and you can see market, task center, and the external marketplace. When the card will be generated, maybe some players will receive this lucky message, and player will be very happy because system randomly assigns the additional property to the card and increases its value. For example, this card will bring to the owner one RNT token on a daily basis. But there are also some rules. For example, the card will bring to the owner one RNT token on a daily basis, put no more than 100 tokens. In order to the card to bring back NFT tokens, the card must be sold on the market. The new owner will continue to receive the NFT tokens. After, for example, 5 sales, the card loses properties, and players will be able to generate this card again on the laboratory. And now I would like to introduce most beautiful slide of our presentation, with the NFT card, which was generated and created special for this presentation. A neural network is capable of generating a huge number of unique images. And each Neuroart NFT card will be unique because system will not generate the same card with the same picture twice. Each card can be sold on the internal market. Due to the game mechanics, there will be no useless card in the game because card will need to develop the laboratory, exchange for resources, access for high-level events. To develop the laboratory, the player can do in different direction. For example, improve quality of creatures or increase product capacity. All payments within the Neuroart platform will use the NFT token. The token was created on BSC network with the support of long-time Binance partner, and token successfully audited by Rock and Block. The player will be able to obtain the token in different ways. Of course, the easiest way is to sell created card on the market and receive NFT token. But for us, more fun to get the token by playing. It can be take part on raids, tournaments, some daily raids. Zara mentioned some play game mechanics. It can be world map research, battle with the monster, cooperative raids on bosses, and also PvP mechanics. It's one-to-one battles with the simple rules, tactical survival battles, battles in tournaments, both paid and free, team battles. Also, there are other ways to earn RNT token. It can be renting your powerful creatures, for example, resource and item trading, reselling items on the market, using the rarest cards, mining the RNT token. Players will have access to several activities where they can get rarest creatures, resources, items for crafting, in-game items. Okay, and now I would like to introduce one game mechanic. It's battle. On the right side, on the left side, you can see card which will take part on this battle. Under the card, you can see creature characteristics, for example, attack, health, or protection.
Yeah, Anna,
Also,
sorry to interrupt, but you have only 1 minute left.
Okay, okay,
yeah.
It's only two slides, yeah. And on this section, you can see the prices the player will be received after the battle will win. It can be resources, some rewards, NFT tokens, for example, creatures or privileges. PvP battles will take place in asynchronous multiplayer mode. The player sends a creature to fight for a certain amount of time, and at the end of the battles, received rewards. Tactical battles will also be available where the player will be able to influence the battle with the combination of creatures in the team. Also, the player will be able to give the creatures with the items to help in battles. Battle will take into account the parameters of creatures, their equipment, and state after previous battles. I was very quick and fast. Thank you for your attention.
No worries, no worries, no worries. Is that all?
Yes. If you have any question, you are open to ask us.
Yeah. I just have one question. You just said that for legendary cards, those are the ways. By the way, guys, this is the ways how you can follow Neuroart's community. You can visit their website, follow their Twitter, join their TG channels, I believe. And if you have any business proposals, feel free to email them as well. So thank you. I think this is a very interesting game. I just have one question because you mentioned for legendary cards, they will generate 1 token every day. And after it generates 100 tokens, you have to automatically sell the card, right?
Right. Yeah.
Is that so? Yeah. But what I guess the question is, why do people are they guaranteed to make money from getting the card and selling the card? Is there any way to make sure that they can make money through the process? So probably they get this card relatively expensive, but they have to sell the card cheap. Would that happen?
May I answer your question concerning the card? So each time you create a new NFT, each card have a different parameters. So in this example, we showed a legendary tier card that allows you to get one token each day. So we included the restriction of 100 days to so people would not exploit this this feature, and so the card will be circulating in the system.
Yeah, they will circulate, but I guess they have to sell the card, right? So like, did any way they can make sure that they can make money, because they have to sell the card after 100 days is my perception. They can keep it, but the longest they can keep is 100 days, because the card has like generated 100 RT tokens.
No, you can keep it more than 100 days, but
okay.
the card will not generate any new NFTs.
Got it.
The passive is not working anymore.
Got it. That makes more sense. Yes. Sorry, like if I didn't get this at the beginning of the presentation.
No problem.
Yeah. In short, this is fun. Did you just build this after the hackathon kickoff, or your team has been like working on it for a while?
Yeah, we've been working for a while to build. We want to fund our future development and our future ecosystem building by this game. So as you may see in the presentation, we have the game itself. It's not the product that we are building. We have much further plans to the future. So we want to help to develop and build the technology for future texture building in help to the game developers, to help the game developers build unique textures, unique objects, so the games would be more reality-like.
Got it. Cool. Okay, thank you, Anna and Max, for introducing your project.
Thank you.
With us.
Thank you for your time.
Everyone joining this presentation today, and make sure you, if you really like what they're building, make sure to go to their Twitter, follow their Twitter accounts, join their Telegram community, follow them to stay tuned for their most recent updates. And if you want to check out more about their project, do make sure to go to hackerlink.io and visit the BSC grant so that you can find their introduction there and also the relative links. So yeah, thank you, Neuroart team, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah, so let's welcome the second project. The second project is Infinite Heroes. So Infinite Heroes allows players to create heroes, mint NFTs, grind glory, coin, and fight for fame on any other device. So yeah.
Hello.
Hi, team.
My name is Ivan. Yes, I'm a game designer of Infinite Heroes. The whole team is here today. So if you have any questions, you can ask them and they'll tell you everything you want. So we'll start from a little presentation and then a demo. Sure. So I'll demonstrate my screen.
Yeah, let's go.
Just a second.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes.
Cool. You got 8 minutes. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. So basically, Infinite Heroes is a turn-based RPG, but we wanted to mix the classical turn-based JRPGs with GameFi mechanics. So there are turn-based battles, there are lore, there are story, but every hero is an NFT, and you can earn money playing this game. So this is how it works. It's free to start, so no investments required. It's for PvP and PvE lovers. There are PvE content where you upgrade your hero, you level your hero, you gain new abilities, And then you can go to PvP and fight for glory. It's our own in-game token, where players bet their glory and the winner can take it all. Yep. So this is the gameplay loop. When you start the game, you have elements. This is like this resources, elemental resources, and every element gives your hero different properties. So for example, I don't know, fire can give you a fire-based ability, water can give you healing or something like that. There are a lot of different elements in the game. Some are rare, some are more common. You can mix them and then you get really unique hero with unique appearance and unique stats, and it's an NFT that you're fully owning. So yeah, then you can go to acts of bravery, as we call them. There your hero can go to a PvE activity and fight with a cool boss, have some story beats, some lore elements, where the player can upgrade his or her NFT and then go to PvE. And in every activity, player earns glory. And for glory, you can buy more elements and create new heroes. So this is basically the loop. This is our team. We have 7 people. They're all here today. There are blockchain experts and game designers, and we made this game specifically for this hackathon. Yes, and we hope we can scale our project. So I think Anton, my friend, can show us the demo. Or Andrew, guys.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Andrei. I'm a full stack developer, and right now I'm going to show you my screen so you can see and understand how our product works. So let me share my screen. Do you see my screen right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, okay, perfect. At the beginning, when everything starts, you see just login form, and what you can do, you can just register. Here, we made a possibility to connect your MetaMask and fill in all the required fields. But I have already prepared one of the accounts, and as you can see here, we have Glory and I here. Glory represents in-game tokens. I here represents NFT tokens, which we will mint in the game. So let's get into the game. Sorry. So once we submitted the form, we'll get into the game. Let's wait for a while.
I'd like to comment on that. You will see on the screen some elements, just 3 of them. It's for the demo purpose. And of course, in the final game, there will be much more.
Yes, of course. So you can see that we have some balance at the moment. And what we can do with, one sec, let me, okay, as you can see, we can show all our NFTs and we can see that we don't have any. So it just suggests you to play the game and create NFTs. Another thing, you can exchange tokens. What does it mean? So you can connect your MetaMask. MetaMask is connected. So you can see that here, nines. So at the moment, we don't have anything. So let's play the game and we will see like this is changing and this will also be changed. So let's create the hero. Here we see that we have water, earth, and fire. Those are the base elements to create different heroes. So depending on the position and the amount of those elements, we'll see different randomly generated heroes. Okay, you can see that new hero is generated. On the left side, you can see the card which will be minted in the future. And here you can see our in-game balance. At the moment, it's 0. So let's game into the battle. You can see that our hero has 2 abilities, to fight and to protect himself. Let's get into the fight. Okay. We have different abilities, as we have inside the game 3 types of heroes. One is healer, one is tank, and one is attacker. Attacker has the highest attack. Healer can heal himself, and at the moment we have tank. What means tank? He can protect himself, and once demon attacks him, demon gets damage back. You can see that we won the battle. What does it mean? That means that we won 100 glory. At the moment, what we can do, we can mint our NFTs. Okay, we see that our wallet is correct. Then we see token name and we see the description and the card which we just generated in the game. Let's connect our MetaMask, because without that, you won't be able to print it. Okay, MetaMask is connected. Let's mint. Let's sign some contracts. Confirm. Okay, we can see that your token is successfully printed. We have a separate page where all NFTs will be represented. As blockchain takes time to be proceeded, we will see here our NFT in a bit. So at the moment, let's get back into the game. You can see that we earned 100 glory. Let's exchange tokens. You can see that in-game balance 100 glory and on-chain balance is 0. Let's get to our account in MetaMask. You can see that glory we have 0, and here we just printed 1, so here you can see 00001, right? Let's exchange. So we can deposit. It means that you can put tokens into the game and you can withdraw. That means that get tokens from the game. It means that you can get those money, and once you got them into your balance, you can sell them or buy on market, and later you will see your balance changing. So let's withdraw some money. Let's, for example, put 50. Let's sign some contracts. Everything happens with blockchain. It's connected to our smart chain testnet. We wrote a separate blockchain contract. So right now you can see that everything works. And once the transaction is completed, MetaMask will tell us about this. We can return to our MetaMask account and we will see that we earned some glory exactly from the game. Let's wait, it takes a while. So right now you can see that our on-chain balance is 50 and in-game balance is 50. Let's get into the MetaMask. Okay, we earned some money. So it's obvious that we can earn money by playing the game. Besides, let's check our NFT list. I think it's already minted. Yes, exactly. And you can see that that's exactly our hero, which we just created into the game. Besides that, that NFT can be exchanged, sold, or bought by them on the market with different users. So for example, I can send to my mate this NFT and he will own it on his MetaMask account, not MetaMask account, on his account. So I will lose 1 and he'll earn 1. Besides that, we can exchange glories and withdraw or deposit it into the game. So it's not only possible to get money off the game, it is also possible to get money into the game. So let's get back, and I will show you another thing. I will show you that one account can have many NFTs. We have prepared that, so let me log out from this. One second.
Basically, let me comment a little bit on this demo. Yeah, so basically that's a really simple demo. We made it in a week during the hackathon, but it was important to us to make the whole core gameplay loop working. So the NFT minting is working, the blockchain part is working. It's all working on BSC network, and you can check out this demo. You can generate heroes, generate NFTs on our BUIDL page. So anyone can go and check it out. And also it's completely open source. You can get on our GitHub and dig in and look what's happening behind the curtains.
Exactly. So let me continue. So on this balance, you can see that we played a little bit and we also have some balance, but that's not really interesting. What is mostly interesting is that we have NFT list here. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 heroes here, and we have exactly 4 heroes on our account. So as I said, everything is connected to blockchain, and you can easily exchange that cards and get more or earn money. So we support it completely. Play to earn.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Ivan and Andre, for introducing your game. I think the most impressed part is that everything has been delivered in the hackathon. So the whole game, the whole logic is already on chain, and everything works. You guys successfully proved that it's not just a deck; it's a game that is functioning. I guess that's really impressive. We can see true hacker spirit from your team, and also we really appreciate it. We have been running hackathons for 7 years, and your team exactly the team that we love most. That you guys deliver. Even if the projects haven't been like really so mature, like so ready to go to market. I guess I just have one meeting. So no, like one question. Is that how would you want to design the value of your NFT and the value of Glory token? So any ideas on this? Because
Yes.
I haven't heard too much in the introduction about this.
Yes, I can answer that question. So yes, as Ivan mentioned during the presentation, each card can be used for battle only 5 times. So it's not possible to emit tokens infinite amount of times. That's why the value of the card is supported. Otherwise, it would be just a 0 value card.
Got it.
Cool. And basically you get 1 free hero when you start the game, and it can be a good hero, it can be not so good hero, and then you go into this acts of bravery, and you can lose an act of bravery and don't get an ability, and also your NFT gets updated every time you complete the act of bravery, and it also increases the value of this card. So
exactly. Yeah. So that's why it's not possible to abuse the chain, and it's always supports the value of the card.
Cool.
Yes,
awesome.
One of the important part which we developed in the future is a PvP battles with another players, which we can choose glory for this battle, and we can win more glories or lose glories in the battle. So which these glories and NFTs very important in our game.
Got it. That's so cool. So yeah, Ivan, do you want to introduce everyone from your team? We would love to introduce your team to everyone.
Yeah, sure. My name is Ivan. I'm a game designer. Here's Andrew. Let them introduce themselves. I think that's the most fair way to do this. Yeah.
Totally. Yeah.
I think I'll start. My name is Alexander. I'm the only game developer in the team. So I write the code.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
He wrote the Unity part.
Alex.
Yeah.
Okay, basically. My name is Andrei Glushko. I'm full stack developer, and we've been working with the team on this project within the hackathon. As you can see, we delivered.
Nice. Cool.
Yes, my name is Anton. I'm responsible for blockchain analytics and blockchain development in the hackathon.
Nice.
I think.
Hey. So do you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
My name is Sergey. I'm game designer. I usually work with casual mobile games. So thanks. It was pleasure to participate in this hackathon.
Nice.
Hello. So my name is Gregory. In this team, I'm responsible for blockchain and blockchain development. Yeah, previously I worked a lot with Ethereum, with Binance Smart Chain here.
Nice.
It was a pleasure to work with the Binance and the Binance Smart Chain.
Cool.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and I'm responsible for design and marketing analytics.
Nice. Cool. Is that everyone from your side?
Yeah, that's
awesome. It's a pretty big team.
Opportunity.
No, thank you for presenting with everyone on your side. It's great hosting you guys. And I I do welcome you guys to come back to DoraHacks community once the game is moving to the next stage. I would love to see your progresses and help you with many other fronts if you need that.
Thank you.
Cool, cool. It's great to host you guys. Thank you for joining us today.
It's really nice to meet you. Thanks.
Totally,
Thanks to the community.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the most updated information about Infinite Heroes. The third project is OnBridge. I can see the team is already here.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Sam.
Yeah, let me share my screen and we will start.
Totally, totally. Yeah, you got 8 minutes.
8 minutes, okay, okay. So can you see my presentation?
Yep, yep.
Or on? Okay, so we're OnBridge. My name is Sam. I'm an analyst at OnBridge.io. We are more like an infrastructure project, and we're building an NFT bridging solution, cross-chain NFT bridging solution. I'm here with Kirill. Kirill is our CTO, and he can show you our team. They're in a separate room. So yeah, Kirill is waving. Okay. Yeah. So a bit of introduction. So regarding the current market stage, as we can see, despite the recent tremendous NFT sales volumes, the NFT market is still in its infancy. So we can observe vast amounts of GameFi projects that emerge every single day on many chains, exciting the minds of NFT users more and more. But growth problems arise with the market as well. One of the issues is GameFi NFT cross-chain interoperability. So can you see my screen with the sheet, with Google Sheet?
Yep, yep, we can see it.
Okay, so we have researched over 70 bridging solutions that are on the market right now, and the standalone and integrated ones, and also try to visualize cross-chain connectivity through those bridges with these graphics. So conclusion is, comparing with ERC20 tokens, the NFT and the non-fungible interoperability is not developed so well. So here we can see the ERC 721 and the ERC 1155 got only 4 bridges that are compatible with this standard. So the conclusion is there is a definitely a lack of interoperability between the chains, and especially if we are talking about the NFT standards. So yeah, you can see it from here. And bridging solutions are still also at a very, very early stage of development and adoption as well. Let's come back to the presentation. So to mitigate these issues and to contribute to community's freedom of NFT usage, we've started an OnBridge.io project and infrastructure protocol. So what is OnBridge? OnBridge is a DAO-based platform designed to help NFT users, gamify projects and protocols to safely and comfortably explore and transfer NFTs across an emerging and exciting cross-chain world with minimal issues. So let's slowly move to the technical side. Kirill will show you our demo that we have developed for 3 days, I believe. Yeah, so let's see it working. Kirill, please.
Hello, guys. We joined this hackathon a bit late, and within this small team, we have developed the functional prototype of the minimal viable bridge, and we had a chance to validate it with the partners that were found on the hackathon Battleverse. So we solved the issue to bridge from mainnet to BSC and validated our bridge for their game, and I think we got some results. Let me show the screen. Do you see my browser?
Yeah, we can.
So let's assume the user purchased or minted or bought the NFT on Ethereum mainnet. He is not able to play with it because of high gas fees. We call this friction. And to be able to play or modify these attributes of his token, it would be perfect to move it to another more cheaper, faster chain. And Binance Smart Chain is one of the leaders in the industry and has a well-developed ecosystem. So the user can just see his token in the dashboard of our bridge and select action to bridge it to the target network. User selects the token, approves it, and bridging engine takes it and logs on the bridging contract. Decentralized system of oracles sees the event of token transfer and emits the counterpart on the second chain, on the layer 2. Here, the same token with the same set of attributes will be minted on Binance Smart Chain, and the user now able to switch to it, selecting new network, and see his token on the BSC side. So user is able to play with this token, to yarn with it, and the system design of this twin NFT allows unlimited set of modifications and quite flexible to support any token attribute, and we are working on supporting custom logic. So in the application, in the dApp on BSC side, user just plays and earns. He signs chip transactions, sends it to the network, and token skills get improved. And these changes are accumulated on the BSC side, and the user, after he played, earned, and mutated his token, can now bridge it back to the mainnet to trade or sell or just keep it on the wallet by the interface of our bridge. We support now just the limited set of custom attributes, but the flexibility of the protocol allows to further extend these attributes, and we are working on displaying and indexing this set dynamically by our model and workers. So once the indexer finds the modified attributes skill here, the user will be able to unbridge this token back to the mainnet. The operation looks similarly, but the layer 2 token gets burned, and the layer 1 token, the Ethereum mainnet NFT, gets released from the bridge, and the mutated attributes saved to it. And these attributes become visible on the mainnet. So you can pump and improve your token on the cheaper chain, then bring it back to the mainnet and sell pumped token, sell improved token on the well-known marketplaces like OpenSea. We developed the full stack of this solution. It includes contract side, we deployed the both sides on mainnet. We emulated it on the Rinky testnet. The twin contracts on BSC, we developed the prototype of oracles. For the moment, they are a bit centralized, but we are working to implement Chainlink protocol to make this absolutely decentralized and to be independent on centralized entities. We implemented the indexers, the views, and the React dApp with dashboard. And we are planning to improve the user experience and to decrease the friction and make this solution to be more adopted and improve the to come into the usage and the proliferation in the industry. Thank you for your attention, guys.
Awesome.
Yep. If you have any questions, we are ready to answer them if we of course have time for it.
Yeah,
awesome.
You are also able to review the source code. All the elements are published in our repository. All the code is under GPL version 3 license that is able to inspect and reuse. And we enjoy the improvement and the proposal, and welcome for pull requests.
Awesome. Thank you, Sam and Kirill, for introducing your project to us. I personally find this really useful because, there are too many chains out there, different games based on different chains, but assets cannot communicate between the different chains. The cross-chain solutions are not mature yet. There are several, I think, teams trying to solve this, but you guys are actually the first team that we see are solving this in a GameFi field, which I truly see a lot of value in your project. It's pretty hardcore, but you guys have, you guys have like created it, and I believe sort of delivered it as well. So I don't know how ready it is to put into use at the moment. And what are some of the future plans that you have for your project? Yeah. What are the next steps?
So we have a roadmap we've planned to put the EVM compatible functionality in 2 months in the product in a product stage. So BSC will be one of the main networks we will work with. So it will be Ethereum mainnet, BSC, and some other EVM compatible networks. So we are now on the stage of seeking partners and promoting our project. We have analyzed this field for 2 months before we started this project, and we honestly kicked off it 3 days ago because it was the best kick for us to start with. And yeah, so we have a lot of ideas, and in the roadmap we have also that's a secret, but I will tell you, we have a gamified bridging functionality inside in the a bit late stages of our roadmap. But the first stage of our roadmap is developing an NFT web wallet with a bridging functionality that will allow users the greatest UX on the market, because there are no NFT wallets. Web wallets, these web wallets are connected strictly to the projects, to the marketplaces, to the gaming platforms. But there is no true decentralized and trusted solution in between. So we want to fill this gap with our project. And afterwards, when we will build this infrastructure brick, we will build some blocks for the business side, of course, because the project need to live. And we hope this project will drive the community further, will allow the users an ability to travel between the chains without with no issues. So that's our main goal, because DeFi users and NFT users, in our view and according to our research, are kind of separate auditories, and we want to grant these newcomers to the DeFi and NFT, the new NFT users from the GameFi projects, the ability to get the greatest UX.
That's great to hear. That's great to hear, Sam. Kirill, I want to congratulate you on pulling off such a hardcore and amazing project. I find it extremely valuable in the current market. Good job, guys, in this hackathon. And yeah, let's discuss how we can support you after this this meeting. I'll let my team to connect me with you, see how we can support you on many fronts, connect you with NFT, GameFi projects, and probably other ecosystems so you can better integrate with them, not just BSC, but many other playgrounds for other GameFi projects. But anyways, yeah, really happy to host you guys, to know you guys today. Yeah, really happy to host you. And I do hope that you can come up with more progresses in the future and come back to DoraHacks community in our future hackathons, and probably like when you're more ready to go to market. But in general, we'd love to support you guys.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, guys. And a lot of interesting projects are here today. I'm wishing the best of luck to all of you guys. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Kirill. Thank you for joining us today. Yep. So yeah, I think OnBridge is really creating a really useful solution to the current GameFi industry right now, which is cross-chain. But I didn't really ask them in their demo because time is limited. But there are a lot of security problems around that cross-chain asset management. How do they make sure like it's very secure? But I think we can like check it out. It's a hackathon, so I believe they also have solutions for this part. It's just a big topic because we have seen many cross-chain projects failed this year, which also like give us an opportunity to look for the next cross-chain solution out there. But I think cross-chain is definitely one of the most important topic in GameFi right now. So yeah, let's just see like their future progresses. And the fourth team sharing today is Aquathereum, an unscripted blockchain integrated massive multiplayer online game. Welcome to DoraHacks community. Is Aquathereum team here today? Maybe nope. Young, can you check with their team whether their team is here today? Or like is Artwaria here today?
Yes, Artwaria here.
Awesome, awesome. Artwaria, I think you can start first. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. No worries.
So hello everyone. We thought this meeting should be yesterday, and we had some plans on Cyprus, so we had to change our plans. And I'm very sorry for this presentation. I have to do it from my phone, so I'm very sorry.
No worries, no worries.
I'll tell you several words about our game, and then I'll show you two videos. First video will be about our NFT, and the second video will be about our demo. Our demo is fully built and playable now, but I can show it you from my phone, unfortunately. So you can download it from our site and play right now. Okay. So I'm CEO of Artwaria. My name is Alexander Kharlamov, and our main purpose about our game is that all economics is built about NFT, only NFT. No other tokens, but only NFT. We have got three parts on NFT, and we've got deflation economics. What does it mean? When a user needs just to, the only thing a user and a player needs to do to begin our game is to buy a box. When he buys a box, he opens NFT card, and then he can get three types of NFT. The first time is just simple NFT, simple damage, and simple armor. The second one is ancient NFT, more cooler and more damage for the opposites. And the third card is very rare, very rare. It is God. It is God. So we've got a unique mechanic that is when a user collects three NFT cards, and it is burnt mechanism. They burn, and he gets one much better NFT card, and with all the mechanics within. So we've got a small presentation about our NFT. So and our game is PvE, so it's player against the environment, and it's combat based. You have to fight against some monsters and so on. Every 5 or so on levels, a player meets a boss, a huge monster, and he has to take it down. When he takes it down, he can get in-game gold and very rare NFT. So NFT. Where can he use his in-game gold? Of course, he can buy a new NFT on the market. And you should remember that there is a deflation economic. So we can, when he buys a new one, and when he collects 3 similar cards, they burn, and he gets only one. So the quantity of NFT will be always less and less and less. So let me show you my screen, and I'll show you some our NFT, okay?
Sure, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. So this is presentation of our NFT. Can you see it well?
Yeah, yeah. It looks
Okay.
super cool.
And then short presentation of our demo. It's built on Unity. We were very hurried for hackathon to build it on. So I should say that the demo is fully playable now, and you can download it from our site. This is it.
Cool, cool.
Okay, so if you have some questions.
Yeah. So I guess my question is, so what is the tokenomic? Is there like a tokenomic design in your game yet?
What?
Is there a tokenomics designed? Token economics.
Yes. Okay. Tokenomic. We don't have. I have already said that we have not any token. We have only NFT token. So every economic is built on NFT. We've got 3 parts on NFT, and they can go on market and can be bought by players. So we have some NFT hold on cold. So when the player plays the game, he gets a reward. As I already said, a reward of NFT. This is the hold NFT, and some parts can be.
Got it. Cool. Yep. Can you hear me? Is it broken? Hi, Young. Can you hear me now? Cool. Yep. I think we got it. Yeah. I think you're muted. Yeah. But we got you. Yeah. No worries. let me try to unmute you.
Uh,
yeah.
Have
You're
you
good.
heard my answer about
Yeah.
tokenomics?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's it.
How to pronounce your name? Is it Alex or?
Alexander, you can say Alex, just Alex.
Oh, okay, Alexander. Great. I can also see like you have a demo already. Did you just
Yes,
finish
we
your
have.
demo in the
Yes,
hackathon?
we were in a very big hurry to get on hackathon with our demo, and we did it. I have to say that our programmers had to work on phone games, for 10 years. So they have great experience in this market,
Got it. Cool. That's great. So where are you based? Are you based in Russia or like
We are based in Russia. Here on Cyprus, I am in business.
Nice. Cool. Awesome. That's great to know. Your project is also very fun. Also like congratulate you on building this integration on NFTs. Yeah, thank you for joining us from Cyprus. It looks really beautiful, like your background.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, enjoy your business trip or enjoy your holiday there. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you for joining us. Yep. So guys, today we have 4 projects joining us today, all of them from Russia CS region, from the BSC GameFi Hackathon. They have all done amazing job, I would say. I think their overall quality is so much better than some of the other hackathons that we hosted. So I want to congratulate the host of this hackathon, which is Binance. They did a great job. I also want to congratulate all the teams joining us today. They've done a really cool job. From my standpoint, I'm very impressed. I learned a lot today because most of them had I think really strong backgrounds, like 2 or 3 of the teams use Unity to actually develop a game out of this. They just bring us a deck. They also have built the demo out. So I'm very impressed by today's presentation. Unfortunately, there's one team missing, but I guess we can host them in later presentations. But in short, I guess GameFi is a really big trend at the moment. Pretty much like how NFT and DeFi has been leading the growth of the Web3 ecosystem. And I also think GameFi is really important in the metaverse in the future, especially with integration with cryptocurrency and other technologies. They can enable us to do much more. So I'm very happy to host today's demo session. If you want to check out more about the projects, feel free to go to hackerlink.io to find more introduction about their products and about their project. And feel free to keep a close eye on those projects to keep track of their most recent updates, join their community. And yeah, I guess that's it. If you haven't followed us on our YouTube channel or Bilibili, make sure you do that so that you won't miss out any cool workshops or project demo sessions there. And I guess I'll just come back to you guys really soon. We have many amazing events happening recently. And we also have many good news to share, and we'll share with you guys in later sessions. And Alex, thank you for joining us today. Kirill, thanks you for joining us today. Thank you guys for staying with us till the end of this demo session. And I hope you guys all the best with the future development of your project. Yeah. Bye, guys. Yeah, take care.